I'm all giddy. I only like them when they're kiddie. Biggest up is employment. Gooning brings me more enjoyment. This is how